others for evil. And so began the war. A war that ravaged our planet until it was consumed by death. And the cube was lost to the far reaches of space. We scattered across the galaxy, hoping to find it and rebuild our home, searching every star, every world. And just when all hope seemed lost, the message of a new discovery drew us to a new planet called Earth. But we were already too late.
Oh God, I went through this. Can't wait to get a little taste of home. Played with Mama's alligators, ate too fair.
You've been talking about barbecue gators and crickets for the last 2 weeks. I'm never going to your mama's house, Fig.
Papi, gators are known to have the most succulent meat.
I understand.
Con un poquito de arroz con habichuela y unos tostoncitos por el hilo. English, please.
I mean, how many times we don't speak Spanish?
That's why you gotta ruin it for me, man. That's my heritage. Siempre me están jodiendo con la misma mierda. De que...
Go with the Spanish, whatever.
Hey, you guys remember weekends?
Huh?
The Sox at Fenway, cold hot dog and flat beer.
Perfect day.
What about you, Captain? You got a perfect day?
I just can't wait to hold my baby girl for the first time.
Oh, yeah.